So I just received this electric grill brush, and I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me. And I went ahead and tested it on the propane grill, and I think that it cleaned it really well. So I did use a little bit of grill spray, but I'm not going to do that on this one. So what we have here is an on-off button here. There's a plug-in right here for your standard USB-C. And then we have a knob here which releases aside so you can switch out the hard brush for the included nylon brush. So if you've got ceramic grill grates, you'll probably not want to use this one. And you also probably don't want to use that one with heat. With this one, we're going to use it with heat. We're going to try not to keep the brush directly over it. Now, I have to be honest, I didn't read the entire set of directions. I did read that you want to heat the grill grate up before you do this. I don't know how heat resistant this is, but I guess we're going to find out. So I put a light amount of charcoal in here and got this thing heated up. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. Just like that, turns on. Something that I noticed on the other one was that the brush tends to wander a little bit. And I think I'm going to grab a glove. I'll be right back. I have this glove handy, so we'll use that one. So I don't know how well you can see that, but I have already scrubbed this down with a regular wire brush, and it did not come clean hardly at all. And look at that. All that gunk came right off. This grill grate looks like it's usable to me. So I ordered a replacement one. Maybe I shouldn't have, but I'll go ahead and give it one more little run here. I'm going to take the glove off because it builds up heat. And this looks good. There's a little bit of black on it from the stuff that came off the grill, but the grill grate itself looks amazing. And now that it's clean, it'll just go ahead and go through its normal heat cleaning process where I just let it sit on the hot coals. I think that this right here would be good to use. Now, as far as the pros, this thing is a scrub brush monster. It just worked great. The plug-in rechargeable battery, also really awesome. And the fact that it comes with a replaceable nylon brush so you can switch out to a different brush. I don't know what the lifespan of this thing's going to be. It feels pretty strong, like the gears are really geared well. And so the motor probably is going to do pretty good, but I can't say for sure. Now, as far as the cons go, well, of course, it's got the short handle, so you have to really get over the heat when you're using it on a heated grill grate. Maybe this should be removed after you've heated the grate up and then scrub it down. I don't know about that. The other thing is it tends to wander, so you really have to use a little bit of strength to hold it in place. So I'll show you again that it goes left to right as you're going, but if you hold it firmly, you can get a nice straight line and just really hit those grates really well. That was a pretty impressive clean. And I got to tell you that my propane grill is almost spotless. I keep it pretty clean, but this thing got it right down to the bare bars. I wouldn't use this one on your porcelain, but I'm not really sure that's a you thing. So I'm going to skip that. Check this thing out. This is awesome.